So these traders right here, afternoon traders, finally getting their lunch handed back to them, trying to play the game of all day long, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. This is the first day we've seen any sign of a reasonable pullback in the late afternoon. Rain line back here at 56.75. A reminder, if you're short, the yesterday's high was 57.75. Day opened. You guys should have that idea in your brain already. Just keep track of ideas. 57.5 is the doji day. And another tedious day for traders. This is not bearish. This is range type trade in a 6-point day. Testing the angel, 58.25. And that angel is the RTH angel. It is not the all-day angel. All-day angel's back here at 56.75. Anybody got to 58.5? Make sure you paid. Fibonacci target. And next one below is 57.75. In my opinion, this has been one of the worst periods of time I've seen in a long time, these last several weeks, in terms of the range. And options expiration, certainly part of it. IB low was 57.25. Another valuable key, we did not take out the day's high, which was our prior high to RTH. The RTH high took out the IB high, but did not take out the all-day high. Simon, yeah, we will. I'll be more than happy to. I've talked rooms through 100-point days. Zeke and I have been here with 100-point days. So yeah, we will talk you through that. And go back and I can probably find my notes. But if you use our system, you will never be at a loss as to, okay, where's support, where's resistance? Never. It may not be to the tick, but it'll be within a couple points. And in those days when we were dealing with crashes, I'm talking about 110-point swings and 30-point reactions in a day, and we still were on the game. Yep, Mike was here. Yep. In our system, I mean, right now I can go right to my secret code page. I can tell you exactly where the next resistance, like today, 25.63.75 resistance target, clear. You know, there's a method to this. This is not just conjecture. Empirical evidence says this stuff works. And the things that were working back then for E-mini are now working for vehicles that are trading in the price ranges that we were at back then, Mike. So, you know, it's just a matter of applying the code to those vehicles you're trading, whether it's gold or oil or whatever. Anybody wants to trade, you know, Russell. Terrible day. This 58.25, anybody that's got that 58.5, that should be a pretty good target late day. If it got below that, I'd be surprised. May come back below it later, but right now I would think because the range is so small that anybody who shorted this afternoon a double top is going to want to get paid. That causes the reaction back up. These traders that wanted the long side looked good, hit the demon, and came right back and knocked out their trailers. So, as we said earlier, 57.75 probably a key. Yesterday's high. Very, very narrow range. 5-point range all day. Come on. Give me a break. Thanks, Simon. Yeah, I'm going to go take a swim. Wife went out a short while ago, and it's time. Very frustrating days. If you're looking for meaningful trades to sink your teeth into, they're not here right now. And you can't pretend they are. So you deal with what you've got. All right, Mike. Catch you tomorrow. Simon, thank you. Yeah, it's hard to anticipate. All you can do is trade the range. And I told you this morning, I said, you're going to be disappointed if you want a big move either way, long or short. I just felt it. Why? Because first of all, we're still cruising above the rain line, so you cannot anticipate a big move down until we get under that. We certainly haven't even broken that yet. And on the upside, we've seen that, inch by inch, a couple of points a day, push it up a little higher. Don't shoot the messenger. You betcha. Good night, Karen. Catch you guys tomorrow. And nice dialogue today. Really good. I enjoyed our talk about Armstrong and his ideas and the whole idea of this pension system and sovereign debt coming down the road. It's coming. All right, guys. Mouse down, head down, take a dive in the water. See you later.